English Learning Kids. Today, let's have a reading practice using basic sentences about different verbs. Are you ready? Let's begin. I can read books. I can read books. Read. I can bake cookies. I can bake cookies. Bake. I can paint beautiful pictures. I can paint beautiful pictures. Paint. I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. Bike. I can play piano. I can play piano. Play. I can swim in the pool. I can swim in the pool. Swim. I can write stories. I can write stories. Write. I can help others. I can help others. Help. I can dance ballet. I can dance ballet. Dance. I can run fast. I can run fast. Run. I can sing songs. I can sing songs. Sing. I can climb tree. I can climb tree. Climb. I can use a computer. I can use a computer. Use. I can jump high. I can jump high. Jump. I can speak English. I can speak English. Speak. I can solve puzzles. I can solve puzzles. Solve. I can learn new things. I can learn new things. Learn. I can make friends. I can make friends. I can make friends. I can dream big. I can dream big. Dream.